When we talk about XLIFF files or XLIFF files, we know that we may have some problems such as formatting breaks or tags. And this happens in particular because it's very difficult to have a look at the formatting of an XLIFF file. It's not something that we can see. Everything happens behind scenes because XLIFF files do not only contain text, but also target text, tags, placeholders, and metadata, and all that may cause issues. A solution to these potential problems is to use XLIFF version 2.0 when possible, and of course, try to avoid removing tags. We may also find XLIFF file translation issues depending on the engine we are using. We learned that when we use DeepL for translating XLIFF 1.2 files instead of 2.0, we may find issues because DeepL has some problems translating those files. So again, the suggestion is to try to re-export your document as XLIFF 2.0 or try another engine if you cannot. And I wanted to show you, again, if you go to our knowledge base, you will see that we have some best practices on how to deal with XLIFF files. I wanted to show you, as an example, how you can detect which version you are working with. If you open your XLIFF file in Notepad++, which is a very, very simple software you can download to your computer, you can check the version at the very beginning of the file. As you can see here, it says version 1.2. So I may have issues if I have this version. And if you pay attention here, you will see that it says version 2.0. So with this very simple method, you can know beforehand if your XLIFF file may cause issues when processing it.